Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Friday, October the 9th, 2015. Well, we had the WASDE report out today at 11 o'clock and gave us a few things to talk about today. December corn was off 9 1/4 cents today, selling at 3.82 3/4. Corn came in slightly ahead or above what was projected today at 168 bushels per acre, when most of the trade was expecting for corn acreage yields to be reduced down. We continue to see pressure on corn to the downside with 370 as our next target, where we find support. Production was revised from 13.585 billion bushels down to 13.555 billion bushels. Exports were left unchanged today. U.S. ending stocks were revised from 1.592 billion bushels to 1.561. And the harvested acres was slightly reduced by about 400,000 acres. Nove beans also gave us something to talk about today. They were up 4 1/4 cents today, selling at 8.85 3/4. They pushed to a high as much as 8.97 today, but just couldn't get through that key price level of $9.50 that we've got on our charts. We continue to see beans in fairly good demand, although the exports number was reduced from 1.725 to 1.675. Soybean production was slightly reduced as well today, and that seemed to push the prices slightly higher. But we are still within that trading band that we've been in since August the 24th. So we still are looking for a catalyst to send beans one way or the other. A few other numbers from the WASDE report regarding beans today. The U.S. ending stocks were 0.425 as opposed to the 450. 1.1 million acres is the reduction in harvested acres or prevent plant that the USDA had in its report today. December wheat was down 3 1/4 cents today, settling at 5.09 1/4. We think it came in as a surprise when the USDA reported that world wheat stocks had actually grown today. Wheat couldn't break that 525 to 528 overhead resistance that we've had now for a little while, and we continue to see wheat want to test 490 to the downside. July 16 wheat was down 2 1/2 cents today, selling at 526. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Friday and a safe weekend.